Why Arthouse Residence in Al Marjan Island? So first of all, its location. It's a prime location, only 2 minutes from the beach and 7 minutes from the upcoming Wynn Casino in Al Marjan Island, which is the first gaming resort in the UAE and the future hotspot in the UAE. An art house residence have luxury amenities. Rooftop infinity pool, have sauna, jacuzzi, gym, kids play area, and also have a la carte services, valet, concierge services. And this is also branded. So Art House is a brand from Manhattan, New York. So it's a branded project, and it have a flexible payment plan 60/40. It will be handover in Q4 2027. Hassle free rental. So in Art House residence you can manage the rentals by yourself, or you can give it to the management, or you can give it to the third party rentals. So no any restrictions on third party rentals. Price comparison. So here the prices are starting from 1.5 million up to 1.9 million, from 1.5 million dirham up to 1.9 million dirham. And if we compare with other project in Al Marjan Island, one bedroom starting there from 2 million. So this is the lowest one bedroom in Al Marjan Island, low entry price into Al Marjan Island. And this will also give you the hotel style amenities. So this is infinity pool, sauna, jacuzzi, barbecue area, sitting area, kids play area. Now here in Art House Residence, the price per square feet is from 2,300 up to 2,800 square feet for a one bedroom. So buying now Art House with 2,300 up to 2,800 per square feet, it will give you strong capital appreciation potential and high rental yields. The future expected price per square feet in Al Marjan Island. So last year in Al Marjan Island, the prices are already 20% up in the last year, and when the Wynn Resort open in 2027, it is expected to be from 5,000 up to 6,000 per square feet in Al Marjan Island. I will show you now the best unit available in this project right now is unit number 910B, which is in Tower B, this unit. So this is on the top floor. This project is a 9th floor, and this is on the highest floor. So this will have direct pool view and will also have partial sea view. So behind Art House there are two projects, which is 8 floors, and this is on the 9th floor. So this will have pool view and also have partial sea view. And its size is 746 square feet, and its price is 1.775,000, which the price per square feet is only 2,080 square feet. Fully fitted kitchen with pool view, partial sea view, handover in Q4 2027 with the flexible payment plan of 60/40. To secure this unit, or if you need more information, contact me now for more details. Thank you.